subject Maths, Standard 2nd, and topic is In the World of Numbers. One more. Let's read and write in words. Yes, dear children, let us enter the world of numbers and also we'll learn how to read and how to write the numbers in words and in numerals, okay, up to 100. Come, let's complete the number chart. Yes, dear children, you have already learnt the writing of numbers up to 100 in standard first, isn't it? So let's take a quick revise of this. It is, we will complete the number chart. Okay? Yes, here you can see 1, then 2, right? 3, 4, 5, 6 is given, 7, 8, 9, 10 is given, here 11, isn't it? 12, 13, then 14, 15 is given, 16, then 17, then comes 18, 19 is given, 20, right? I hope you know each and everything here, correct? Serial numbers. So we will go to the last two lines, that is 81, then comes 82, 83, isn't it? 84 is given, 85, 86, 87 is given here, 88, 89, then 90 is given, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, then this is our last two digit number, right? Then comes 100, means here 3 digit number begin, right? Means you know up to 100 the serial numbers which begins from 0 or 1, right? Okay. Here you can see butterflies. On the wings we can see different numbers. Yes, dear children, let us try to read the numbers on the butterfly's wings. Okay. This is 1, 26, this is 75, this is 69, isn't it? Now we'll move to the blue colored butterfly. Here 80 and 2, 82, right? 30 and 6, 36, 70 and 7, 77, 50 and 1, 51, right? We'll fly to yellow colored butterfly. This is 19, this is 60 and 4, 64, 50 and 6, 56, 80 and 3, 83, isn't it? Next, to the violet butterfly, 90 and 9, 99, 40 and 3, 43, this is 30 and this is 10 and 2, that is 12, isn't it? Now here you can see a box. What is written here? Read the numbers. 24, 19, 16, 22, 14, 17, 15, 18, 20, 23, 21 and 30. Correct? We read the numbers on the box. in words from 21 to 30. Yes, dear children, you know how to write the numbers in numerals. Correct? Now we will go through the numbers from 21 to 30 in numerals also, and we will try to write it in words also. Okay, that is nothing but a number name. See, dear children, this is 21. How to write this? Here 20 and 1, that is 21. See the spelling for 20, T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. This you must know. Okay, because 1 to 9 spellings you know very well, isn't it? Now you have to know the spelling for 20. So you can add 1, 2, 3, 4 like this up to 9. Okay, we'll go through. See, this is 22, right? Number 20 and 2, so 22. 20 and 3, that is 23. 20 and 4, that is 24. 20 and 5, that is 25. 20 and 6, 26. 20 and 7, 27. 20 and 8, 28. 20 and 9, 29. See, this is 30. See the spelling, T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30. Okay, this is 30, right? So that is 30. Okay, got this? Now we'll move to 31 to 40. Okay, again we will make a table. Here we will write numbers in numerals and in words. Okay, now we will begin with 31. You know the spelling for 30, that is T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30 and 1 makes 31. This is 30 and 2, that is 32. 30 and 3, that is 33. 30 and 4 makes 34. 30 and 5, that is 35. 30 and 6, that is 36. 30 and 7, that is 37. 30 and 8, that is 38. 30 and 9, that is 39. Now dear children, this is 40, that is nothing but 40. F-O-R-T-Y, 40. Okay, we'll write the number names up to 50. We'll begin from 41. Okay. See this, 40 and 1, that is 41. See the spelling for 40, F-O-R-T-Y. The spelling for 4 is F-O-U-R. But here the spelling changes and it becomes F-O-R-T-Y, 40. Okay, don't use U in between. Now 40 and 2, that is 42. 40 and 3, that is 43. 40 and 4, 44. 40 and 5, 45. 40 and 6, 46. 40 and 7, 47. 40 and 8, 48. 40 and 9, 49. Now 50. See the spelling, F-I-F-T-Y, 50. Okay, got this children? We have written the numbers from 21 to 50. Right? Now like this only you have to practice writing the numbers from 51 till 100. Okay, you must know the spelling for 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and last 100. Then you can easily write the in between numbers. Okay, because in each tens we have to add ONE1 to NINE 9. Okay, got this? Complete the activity given below. Yes, dear children, here we are going to do some activities. Okay, first number is given in numeral, right? And in the second cloud we can see the number in word and we have to write the numeral. Okay, whatever is necessary we will write here. First one, 2 and 1, that is 20 and 1, 21, isn't it? 20 and 1, 21. Okay, here in the second cloud words are given, that is number name is given, we have to write the number in numeral. 50 and 3, that is 53, means the number 5 and 3, right? This is 53, isn't it? Now 48, here 40 and 8, 48, correct? Next is SIXTY, 60, so 60, correct? Now 30 and 3, 33, 33, okay? Next 1, 8, that is 18, this you know clearly, right? 18. Then comes 40, here 40, right? 20 and 6, 26 to 6, right? 37 means 30 and 7, that is 37. 40 and 6, 46, right? One more activity here. Here you can see the slates, right? And here also we can see numerals and number names. Some slates have numbers and some have number names. We will fill the blank whatever is necessary. Okay, first one, 60 and 6, 66. Say this, right? Double 6, 66. 20 and 9, very good, 29, correct? You must know the spelling properly. 70 and 2, 72. 4, that is 40 and 4, 44. 80 and 6, that is 86. 30 and 2, that is 32, right? Write in figures or in words. One more activity. Here we can see the stars. Some stars have numbers and some stars have number names. Okay, we will name them. First one, 26. 20 and 6, 26. Correct? Second, number name you can see on the star, that is 60 and 7. What is that? 67. Isn't it? Right? You can write like this or you can write directly 67. One or the other, both are same. Okay. Now 49, 40 and 9 we will write in words. 60 and 3, that is 63. Here 20 and 1, here it is given the number name, so we will write in numeral, that is 21. Okay. Yes, here write missing numbers. Here the bee has collected some honey. It wants to reach its hive, right? So dear children, help this bee by filling the numbers so that it can reach its hive. Okay? This is for you. You have to draw this in your notebook and you have to write the numbers. Okay? Here also write missing numbers. This is also for you. Here 45 is given and 4 stars, they are empty. You have to number them. Here 50 is given. Again 4 stars are empty. You have to give them the numbers. Then it is 55. So please write the missing numbers over here. Okay. Second line 72 and it stops at 82. So please write all the missing numbers on these clouds. Here again it begins from 66 and ends at 71. So you have to fill these blanks. Got this? Here this line begins from 89 and ends in 95. So please children try to write the missing places. Okay, this is for your homework. Thank you dear children. Practice 1 to 100 writing the numbers and also the number names.